Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about border layout in Java Swing. And we're going to start with something that happens to almost every beginner. You add a button to your interface, you run the program, and the button just isn't there. So here's the plan. First, I'll show you the 5 regions of border layout. Then we'll break a real interface together in Eclipse and you're going to predict what went wrong before I tell you. Then we'll repair it inside MagikLayout using an AI coach that's built to help you think instead of handing you the answer. By the end, you'll be able to explain exactly why that button disappeared. Let's get started.
Without a layout manager, you're pinning every component to a pixel until somebody resizes the window. A layout manager is what decides where things go. And here's what most beginners miss. Swing already gave your JFrame one. The default is BorderLayout. You've been using it this whole time without choosing it. One layout manager in Java Swing is called BorderLayout. It divides the window into 5 named regions. North at the top, south at the bottom, west on the left, east on the right, and center fills everything in between. Each region holds exactly one component. That constraint is what the whole lesson is about. Now let's connect the picture to actual Java. The title goes to north, the menu goes to west, and center takes the remaining space. But look at our original program. We added the buttons to the same south region. So, what exactly happened? A border layout region has one direct layout occupant. When cancel arrived, it took the slot. But watch this. Save was never deleted. The container still reports to components. Save is still in there. It will even tell you it's visible. Border layout just stopped tracking it, so it gets laid out at 0 width and 0 height. It's there. It's just infinitely thin. Nothing crashed. Nothing warned you. That's why this bug is so hard to find. Instead of guessing, let's investigate. This is MagikLayout, a browser tool I built to make layout rules visible. Nothing to install. Mission 1 rebuilds this exact broken form. First, focus on south. Watch carefully. Save is added first, then cancel is added to the same region. So what do you think happened to save? Exactly. Cancel took the same south region. Whether you got it right or not, you know something now you didn't know 90 seconds ago. That's the point of predicting first. But how do we fix it if we're not sure? We can ask AI for one hint. See, the AI doesn't give us the answer. It gives us a clue and asks us to think. And notice when it unlocked, only after I committed to a prediction. That's deliberate. A hint you get before you thought. It's just an answer with extra steps. Now south has one JPanel. The panel is empty. So let's put save and cancel inside it. South still has only one component, the panel. But that panel can hold both buttons. Border layout manages the panel manages the buttons. Each layout manager is only responsible for its own children. That's nesting, and it's how every real Swing interface gets built. So we're not using AI to give us the answer. We're using AI to help us understand the answer. Okay, now it's your turn. Here, next and finish were both added to east. Next has disappeared, and finish is visible, based on what we just learned. What do you think happened? And how would you fix? It's so both buttons can be visible. The rule hasn't changed, only the region has.
So remember, border layout has 5 regions, and each region has one direct occupant. Need more than one? Nest a JPanel inside it. But the habit matters more than the rule. Investigate first, predict before anyone tells you, and use AI to sharpen your reasoning, not to replace it. MagikLayout is at magiclayout.mhdazlan.cc, and the missions are open now. Now, don't just tell me the answer, tell me why.